Hello, viewers. Today we are talking about Ludwig von Hofmann, a fusion of art and symbolism. Ludwig von Hofmann, a renowned German painter, graphic artist, and designer, left an indelible mark on the world of art through his distinctive combination of art symbolism style. Born on August 17, 1861 in Darmstadt, Germany, Hoffmann's artistic journey was a captivating blend of creativity, innovation, and a deep connection to the spiritual and mystical aspects of life. His works were further in the painting event of the art competition at the 1923 Summer Olympics, showcasing his enduring influence on the art world. Hoffmann's early life was marked by an inherent fascination with art. He received his initial training at the Academy of Fine Arts in Munich, where he honed his skill and developed a deep appreciation for various artistic styles. His artistic journey was heavily influenced by the art movement, which immigrated in the late 19th century, characterized by following lines, intricate designs, and a focus on nature and the decorative arts. Art Navy provide a fertile ground for Hoffman artistic exploration. Throughout his career, Hoffman's work was deeply rooted in the symbolic and the spiritual, the symbolist movement. Hoffman's work spanned a wide range of media, including painting, drawing, and graphic design. His paintings often featured ethereal and dreamlike landscapes populated with fantastical and mythological beings. One of his most famous works, The Sea of Fescendity, allude. This painting, like many of his others, reflect his deep interest in exploring the human subconscious and the hidden aspect of reality. In addition to his painting, Hoffman's graphic art and design work were equally significant. He produced a wide array of illustrations for books, magazines, and posters, all of which carried his distinctive blend of art and symbolism. This work often featured intricate patterns, organic shapes, and allegorical motifs, all contributing to the overall impact of his art. As the 1928 Summer Olympics approached, the art competition presented an exciting opportunity for Hoffman to showcase his talent on an international stage. He submitted several works that represented the culmination of his artistic journey. While he did not win a medal. His participation in the event further solidified his reputation as a permanent artist of his time. Hoffman's legacy continued to influence artists and art enthusiasts of the day. His unique synthesis of art and symbolism remain a source of inspiration for those seeking to explore the interests of the decorative and the profound in art. His work can be found in museums and galleries worldwide, a testament to the enduring impact of his artistic vision. In conclusion, Ludwig von Hoffmann, German painter, graphic artist, and designer, crafted a remarkable artistic career that blended the decorative allure of art nouveau with the spiritual depth of symbolism. His exploration of the subconscious, mystical themes, and intricate designs have left an indelible mark on the art world. His participation in the 1928 Summer Olympics art competition only added to his legacy, cementing his reputation as a significant figure in the history of art. Hoffmann's work continues to captivate and inspire art enthusiasts, showcasing the enduring power of his artistic vision. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share and subscribe my channel.